Hi, friends! Welcome to our school!
Yay!
What is this?
This is a school. School.
What? What is this?
This is a classroom. Classroom.
What is this?
This is the library. Library.
What is this?
This is the playground. Playground.
What is this?
This is the teacher's room. Teacher's room.
Who is this?
This is the headmaster. Headmaster.
Who is this?
This is a teacher. Teacher.
Who is this?
This is my friend. Friend. Who is this? This is a boy. Boy.
Who is this?
This is a girl. Girl.
Goodbye! See you!